let's ask Luis because he was gonna tell us again. Hey Luis, tell us what we're doing again.
Hi guys, bring it in. So we just got to the visitor center here and we're just trying to figure out which way to go. We're gonna try and fly some drone, but hopefully we don't get caught. If we do, we'll just run. We won't get very far, but we'll run.
I think we'll be fine.
I think we should have remembered our route type.
Honestly, yes.
I don't remember.
I always count on someone else to know where my car is. Like, where's my car, Jessica?
I don't know.
You drove, so I don't know.
Something a lot of people don't appreciate when they come here is there's a lot of ethnicities here, so different type of ethnicity, and you can just start talking to people and they'll tell you all the different stories, and it's great.
No, pues wow.
Sometimes I'd rather just do that than look at the Grand Canyon. And go tell that lady right there, ask her for a story.
Ask her for a story.
Let's go interview someone with the Asian community.
It's very popular with the Asian community.
Well, very great. That was very good timing that you said that. Frank is on a mission.
Oh yeah, he is on a mission.
He's on a mission for the vision.
He's going fast. There he is. Man, I'm already tired.
I can't even walk with these jeans, so I'm just waddling. I'm just literally waddling side to side.
Dude, how come you put them on? Because I was cold?
And no.
You're hot?
No, but they're just super tight. Oh, look at this dog.
Isn't those dogs what you want? You do have a sweater that looks like it.
You're gonna hate me.
Oh my god, I just saw a glimpse of the Grand Canyon.
Another great thing, there's a lot of walking, a lot of exercising, it's great.
Yeah, it's very much needed. Didn't you almost fall out of the Grand Canyon? How do you feel coming back?
Is this really it? How can you say that? He's like, is this really it?
The negative guy.
El negativo. Luis almost fell.
Where?
Over there. We'll go right now over there.
Dude, look at that.
That view over there is the best.
Yeah.
What's your first impression?
He said, wow. He said,
Isn't it crazy?
Should we jump over the fence and then take a photo right there?
Yeah, jump over the fence.
hold on.
No, let's go over there.
Take a picture of me next to that tree.
That's
And getting kicked out.
Is this el cañón grande?
Sí.
I know.
Fly your drone over there.
If anything, I'll fly it over here. I'll fly over here and fly it.
Está bien.
mentira, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Look over there. A flying bird or some kind of animal, I'll tell you.
Where is it? Because I can't see
Over
it.
there.
¿Ah? ¿Vamos? Sí, vamos.
Ahí es donde te andabas resbalando.
Ahí.
You see that rock over there? I was outside of the fence on that rock.
Yeah, he was.
Jen.
A ver, bríncate pues. Okay, we're gonna jump the fence apparently.
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh yeah. Did they jump the fence? ¿Por dónde se fueron?
Pues me brincaron, dice.
A ver, Luis, I dare you to jump the fence. ¿Dónde está Luis?
Do you not see the girl who fell?
The first time we kicked the Grand Canyon, there was none of this. It was straight up just wires. Like barbed wires. It was like this.
Was it really?
Freaking Lucy, dude.
Yes. Yes, it was.
It's okay.
You should be a reporter.
I know.
Just kidding.
Okay, what am I supposed to do?
Just do what I was doing.
Vlog.
Vlog the log.
Okay, fine, whatever.
Dude, this
Is this vlogging or what?
Obviously.
Okay, because I apparently don't know. Sorry. Apparently I don't know how to vlog.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, screw it. We're gonna jump it. Oh my gosh. Okay,
Ma.
Es que no sé por qué.
She's a daredevil.
Pero camina.
Oh! I caught that. Ma! Oh my god, I'm so scared. My mom scares me. Look at her. She's like,
I want a picture too.
Te puedes resbalar bien fácil.
just walk so fast.
Si yo estuviera allá, dirías que no.
A ver, Pato.
No, no.
A ver, tú, Pa. No.
No, yo sí puedo, pero no, ¿para qué? Luis anda bien apurado. Por tu mamá.
Mira, está bien.
My turn.
Okay.
Es que se ve bien bonita la vista.
A ver los novios.
Nacho y David.
He's gonna tell you if you look fat or not.
David, tu papá te agarra.
Vente.
Tu papá te agarra.
Nos vamos los dos o nos quedamos los dos. 1, 2.
Go by yourself.
That's on you.
Wait, my little brother wants to take a picture.
A ver, bájame aquí. Ay, nomás déjalo. Déjalo. Es que si yo quiero que está peligroso, yo no dejaba. Oh my god, it looks freaking huge, dude. No, you don't. Ahí junto a tu papá. Vente aquí. David, go. You are not that scared of heights. Come on, dude.
Oh, yeah, let me get that.
Okay, I want to take a picture with you. Mira lo que tira en la orillita. Dang.
What's up, YouTube?
Ahorita nos retratamos allá en el Manantial, vamos a ir allá. Toda la familia. Si quieren, sacan ustedes.
Does this make me look fat?
This makes you look so
Let's
fat.
see. No, you're good.
I do not like that.
Wait. I just need to like change my hair a little bit. Hey, how does my hair look?
Move it.
Looks like you haven't combed it in a while.
I actually have it. Okay, here's my.
Ahorita tú y la luz.
Look over there.
I think it's
A
better.
wild woman.
Ahí va Pancho, ahí va Pancho.
Oh my gosh, Lucy, you look so. No go on the edge, please.
Porque me quedan los.
Oh my god.
Great. Hold on, let me see how it looks.
A ver, pásamela. Yo te lo tomo.
No, es que me veo muy gorda con este suéter.
Ay, Jessica, no es cierto.
Ahorita voy a sacar el drone.
Agua, ya es el último paso.
Oh,
Let me take one. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
okay.
I looked freaking huge.
Dude, this makes me look huge.
No, because your leggings are tight. And this sweater just makes me look like I'm having twins or something.